by far the hardest pee I've ever had to do. This wind is going in circles. These guys have the right idea. What a place, what a view to live up on this little mountain. Beautiful. Windy though.
Windy.
In this video, we continue pushing east towards the Oregon border. With the stunning Pacific Northwest landscapes leading us on our way, our journey takes us to visit our good friend Chris, who we met during our adventures in Baja. Chris runs an incredible bison ranch, and we're excited to see the brand new calves roaming the fields. Join us as we explore new trails, reconnect with old friends, and share more off-grid experiences on the road.
Keeping on back road, staying off of that big bad freeway up there, but I have to say, that's an impressive block wall.
We couldn't find any dirt tracks to take us to our destination, but determined to stay off major freeways, we followed the winding Snake River. It guided us through beautiful green fields, charming small towns, and stretches of farmland. We crossed the river a few times along the way, soaking in the scenery and enjoying this not so off-grid route that still offered plenty of peaceful moments.
We just found this little rec site parking lot that's a trailhead to a bunch of trails. Eddie and I are gonna go climb this trail here up to the top of that mountain, see what the view looks like from up there. It's not very remote, but there's no one here, and yeah, it's a beautiful view.
The Wilson Creek area in Idaho is a hidden gem for nature lovers and off-grid adventurers. Surrounded by rolling hills and rugged terrain, it offers a mix of wide open spaces and jagged rocky outcrops. The hiking trails snake through vast expanses of sagebrush and desert-like landscapes, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Dirt roads crisscross the area, inviting exploration by foot, bicycle, horse, or vehicle, with the peace of the open land creating a feeling of solitude and serenity. It's a place where you feel deeply connected to nature and away from the hustle of modern life.
What do you think, Ed? What do you think, Eddie? What do you think, buddy? What do you think?
Unfortunately, we were only able to stay at Wilson Creek for an overnight visit due to prior commitments. We only scratched the surface of this incredible area, exploring just a small section of the vast trails and dirt roads. It's definitely a place we'd love to spend more time soaking it all in. And as you can see, Ed had an absolute blast zooming around in the tall grass swaying in the breeze. This spot is a gem, and we can't wait to come back for a longer stay.
You love the grass, don't you, buddy? Not a dude. Not a dude. Come on, come on! Well, today we woke up to wind.
Yeah,
More wind.
shocking.
4 days of just crazy winds. So we're gonna push a little more east into Oregon. We talked to our friend Chris, who we've been traveling with in Baja. He doesn't live far from here, so we're gonna go visit him at his ranch, and there might be some baby animals when we get there. Some more small town America.
I love small town America.
Well, and at least everywhere has a auto parts store.
Your destination is on the right.
Dummy here. I forgot my gas cap at the last gas station, or when I was filling up from the jerry cans. So.
How many times have you done that, Den?
Done it 3 times in 1 year. Well, just hit another state. We're back in Oregon.
I like Oregon.
Oregon's nice.
After a few hours of driving, we finally arrived at Chris and Carla's stunning bison ranch. Their property is breathtaking, with 4 main pastures that the bison rotate through, allowing one field to regrow as the others are grazed. In addition to the bison, they have a lovely orchard and a variety of garden beds that add beauty and functionality of the ranch. Without wasting any time, we hopped into Chris's truck and headed out to get a closer look at these massive, majestic creatures. Bison are absolutely stunning animals, and being so close to them was an unforgettable memory.
Oh, they're grunting at us. We don't mean you no harm.
Right behind.
That's so wicked. Hey, look at that little guy right there.
Here comes the bull.
I see.
That looks like he's gonna.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to fight him. The thing's massive. Aw. They make noise. They're kind of they're friendly, but I'm scared of them.
They're so mad.
Never petted you before. Yeah, you're a nice girl. Want to come pet her?
Nope.
Looks like an earring.
Oh my god.
Size of that.
On its horn.
That's impressive.
And just like that, after giving us a brief but curious investigation, the bison lost interest and wandered off to better pastures. It was incredible to see how such massive creatures could be so calm and graceful as they moved on to explore their next grazing spot. We spent a couple days here enjoying the natural beauty and breathtaking landscapes that surrounded us, all while enjoying great company. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us next week as we head into the Idaho mountains for more adventure.